Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? And the short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is that there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak a few years ago. The good news is that buyers still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. However, due to higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, so invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on your investment. It might be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way, you can find out exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories: cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want a good offer from homebuyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each, so work with your realtor to find a balance that fits your needs. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your pool of buyers. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to interest rates and higher home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of good demand with a property in good condition. You do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up the price of your home. I always recommend the best way to net the most money from the sale of your home is to create value with the best condition possible, which means fixing those things you know could create doubt in your potential buyers' minds. And it's more important in this market than it has ever been before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or send me an email. This is Tim Lockhart with Keller Williams Realty. I'd love to hear from you.